In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital downloads on Etsy, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your shop, create a compelling listing, and set yourself up for ongoing growth without shipping a single package. First, head to etsy.com/sell and follow the prompts to open your shop. This is where you'll choose your shop preferences and basics. Don't overthink it. Getting set up quickly lets you start testing what works. Next, build a brand your buyers can remember. Choose a short, easy to spell shop name, then add a clean logo, a banner that shows your style, and a friendly bio that explains what you sell and who it's for. Consistent colors and fonts go a long way toward looking professional and trustworthy. Before you list anything, set clear shop policies for digital goods. Make it obvious that no physical item will be shipped. Outline your stance on refunds for instant downloads, and specify whether your files are for personal use only. Clear policies reduce disputes and increase buyer confidence. Now research what to make. Use Etsy's search bar to explore niches and see what people are already searching for. Watch the autocomplete suggestions, browse top listings, and read reviews to learn what buyers love and what they wish existed. Look for seasonal trends or evergreen needs you can serve with a unique spin. Create your product with a tool like Canva. Start from a template if it helps, but customize thoroughly so your work is original. Use correct dimensions, check alignment and spacing, and export in high quality formats. If your product is a link, like a template or resource, embed that link inside a simple, well-designed PDF so buyers receive a clear, clickable download. Showcase matters. Create realistic images that display your product in use, using mockups that match your niche. Add a short video to increase engagement. 10 to 20 seconds showing what's included or how the file works is perfect. When you're ready, create your Etsy listing. Choose digital as the product type and select instant download so buyers get access immediately. Upload your actual design files, name them clearly, and consider zipping multiple files to keep things organized. Optimize for search by using relevant keywords in your title, tags, and description. Aim for specific phrases buyers would type, and write naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. In the description, spell out exactly what's included, how to use it, file types, sizes, and any required software. A brief README file in the download can reinforce this. Finally, optimize and grow. Refresh thumbnails, test new keywords, add variations or bundles, and keep creating. Respond quickly to messages and encourage happy customers to leave reviews. With steady iteration, your digital downloads can become a reliable, hands-off income stream.